Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hello, my people. Now, good evening from Untouchable Mama. Una day. Also, na day fine. So ni wages do ya time ni ye do ya time na ege na naze broken. Me ye do ya go abeteme go. Abeteme ya wabota long time. My people, why gui dina cause you only tell me say but you only ye do ya go. Rude eme ambassador Dion osage keke more blessing. Keke no ka be sunu ore the other one blessing be etioni. Again no that mental problem. But managbon mami mane managbon o ma awe mi esi ma edege mami no mama no hawu onya harie mo badori ukuse adori maga pele lo wa bona je everi oni it's very bad when a boy na we mi no bunse before get blessing na kedo sunu aba mi aru pa no baladian no do tin boy na we or no be post no we ya tin we na no we na no gele here o ma easy every man even no 20 se wo lele here wa we many things I we a job we no bet be nu ya we say abi ari gi odun ne no ero be ri oni o gima ere gbode ere gboru awe ere gbode ere gboru awe o iwaru awe kere ri ma ha oge blessing na no sunu oge get na no pa ni na beti e blessing oga me mental problem eriye ma wa be pe gogo lele eriye ma wa be ulele e mata bona gba lo boy bona gba lo we ina go sa lo bua ima be gun ina we ni wa e ko wa won agin na cause ave e ma neme ime no si eni me so ni ene nerere o ma na wo me mental problem ni ka Johnny Kasone o ma na wo me mental problem u ma o e de wa se ba nu wa ri po wa mo ewowo eri abe ya we me my bet in the so na reason ye o ma na di o my de ihe wo give a problem area me no ya me ni ya jo ni eri o keke na ya jo de the next day we gbe show o ma gba we because all no woman ni ehine o be je na re ekitania ne ohu o wa ri ba ni rudu we ohu like ekita wa se ba ni wa jo boyara o wa fian we eri o ma no me mental problem eri o beje because o ma no my I want a mental problem. E mana wa ya go we eri we no pa ana wa neni abeta be no ma wa la dian wa do mo no wa do we say no or wa we mi ti tune no ma say yin wa wa ri go wa ri ma wa pe lele monaju wa eri oni wa so no bu no raw which is very bad. I mean what I wa say no wa we here no wa ndie na me we mistake ro wa wari oni wa wari mo bo wa atakia okay like okay oni na be bolofua because wa we nya wa be toni gbogbo na eni na me nwa ma no me nwa o ewe o ma no me mental problem reason bo ma na me mental problem is no matter no me na di on se ba ni be there on ba we ni e ba wa wu we ru da we humanitarian yen hin wa se ba ni so ko ma wa go emi ri ogbejo hun ebe mi scott na be move your hand rie no we na ha mo are because nya ha mewe unwe wo me mental problem o me be na le lo ma no mental problem here oye wa ha we go dig one ya u be kin odin lele wa ha we go me gwan ya u be na o me lele nya na wa pe ma nya na pe gogo which is very bad wa be mi no better we boy na be wu no be man wa we here wa ya wa saladian ame no mama ni ro nemi no meje yen wa saladian no mwebo gbere mwebo gbe ije no bio to boy o mwebo gbere mwebo gbe which is very bad ere dion beje dion wa mwebo gbe eru wa biju wa because omo no ma negbe o ti ebo ni ro ma bijo ma ri meta because omo na when you face someone ni do man na made the mistake we tamewe even na ko na made the mistake na e do we do kana we opinion we no because of me heart me ni it's my opinion because o man me we that opinion me no take care o man understand because I gba my buy opinion we better do have me we next time wa how we very na who have me we your opinion yeah okay take care because everybody an opinion get we tito we no remedy we okay good but one dia owo ni wasu nu yan na waga no tie bo na tie bo no we no pa na we no pa enu we na we mi abebo ya gbebo umi o ma no mi abebo ya gbebo o ma we nu we amewe na na no na wa hia o sabo adeba we awe to mo be set we support awe eru ni okpa be no we anane no o ma ro we ri oni na wa ge da do ge ma be gwa but all blessing na do sunu ni tamu wa my people my brothers and sisters emi so ro we metamu wa imeti edion because even me set you me na me man no we meti amani o ma easy in Nigeria o hire ke a business wo wa benu we na reba ni business ni ahuye e me na be ta ese amo so lock it down o ga ipegbe ogbe 1 year benu we na reba ni atu bege edion ware office o ge ware wina ge ivi ade man no vio ye ba ni nya je misbehave nya je mi we no relate no ma dere e be ha me we pan ye de now o ware very on which is very bad meta mo wa in Nigeria no ma we gbege jo no wa ha ya we business wo wa anything no ha ya u no iri gore ne no ma we gbege jo no because iya wa bege we wa je no wa ku here iya oni ya low we e ma na ni ave ke ni ma je bi ma na ni e ko na mgbe so ni afia we wu ma onu ji nwi na be na betu mo sojo wa se vani ya na ka ma we bi nwi na woke no ari owa because we ti wata we o de gbe meje ijo ya wa tota yo wa be na umo sojo because uma na jo nya akalele we tiri egbe igba ha nya akalele we ai de gbe na jo wa ka mo we ire the next ire we ke ha we was no we no ire nyama like a way we nya like am no dey straightforward wa una ri win we you dey straightforward whatever ni straightforward because in Nigeria ime ta we also egbeso ni awa age di we iwe boy na ya oh here because when no sun mama oge blessing na no sunu na I like him in a dio no when you like your opinion good is your opinion. The head of Orin now, you have to be the head. Otherwise, in Nigeria, if you win, if you're because we're not de nice. Umaneka we mi yo, wamaneka ya we small business yo wa. Unwe mi ni kana, unwe ke ni gwa kari, menoguwe gwaneka we mi kere jo wa na nye mi ni gwari. When I was there too much nice ito here. Awe yo no na awe bozi me ma gbo ko me dejo be na be we mi rockba e be gun me gun e be gui iya aja we iya do vi ogun iya oveva iya do vi oyo wo hu we ikwe gun self akwa hamu we anya do hamu we bozi na ni e we be yo ni we iya do comment we wonder san iya do comment we eri iya ni ro waje especially iya na wa mi we wa dey nice we open ni ya ile ke mi ne di on wa wo because e daughter we umana joviera oviju umana ya make example umana ya dane bonoton oviera mo han we dion una dion blessing you the head go what we you even wase wo wa we man ne dion no employ ba ni blessing even wase mu we ona je blessing ya make example so that iyan rieke iyan he when ya ha we gbe ya move we e can na set we blessing no na oga be win man no na ime wa mene dion wa won iwa like once any na like on a video pa ne dion ka o ona ya me one again in no have problem if I will do wa watch ba ni iwa watch because very small video ga no ina watch dion na ba we again na we ma na video in dion na because in winning yen ta video because ye na video we mura de enene joboni ha ri enu because iye mu e la dia we wa ma ni ha help so na ade go ke ma na ma oni ma help so dion na bom egbe pa be ba ni so blessing na ha me we boss wait you for wait na boss dion na ha me we next time blessing e we egbe try e be watch e ba ni ona we na we egbe dan won oni na be bolofua or I want that video again because in yana aru moto so dion na I think her blessing na be aru we or say oni na am blessing or something like that if you watch on it so dion na ha me we blessing ona we no pin our account number ona we no pin ye video ne ma make na mi on a blessing na we boss or when your heke no we or we cameraman heke no we dion na we ye ma beg a cameraman before you take am when we Ona we ma bere nye ke kama we no we e di ona be gwegwe ba ni we next time nye na ge wo ho uwe because nye deg ma be nye ke akama we ina di ona we ume mi the bad side orinye ya ma we the bad side orinye wa en we me ni ya lele we ku eri nye be de hash ina oni na be bolofo before na kedo sunu na man understand he may like him in the dion over there on it why two wa man like many people we we ma like oh ye a blessing ya make example kamiya nikpa we a blessing no wa do ba be na ni ye what a blessing ya we ni ya be show e baba na e ba no wa hana ye we ya ti be show wa no dey no there so I mean the dion no wa uni I give you hands eri boss ya o and a blessing na dey there now which I appreciate well omo no enegbe no oye we Jess ni eke areva edi o mai shati munye o mai winye in a way na me way ni do feel bad that means e deri oni ogele we Jess when ya we ikuga ibungbe adwa we bere ameri vongbe wupu ona do hie kwa I be like say small boy that they give us small cake ameri bungbe wupu be deri oni ona do hie kwa edi o ya we no we there on way okpeni yeketama we very na uye continue our way which is very bad ni hama we I am the boss mori we yema or wo employment mujema so I mean no we there on which is very nice because so na very on before you know where do here no where do I no winner no that say where do I staff here do I boss only area Nigeria if normal work be rejo no Umana go handle your business. I go work close there down. Eriya ya we me. I go work close there down. Which is very nice. Emi no uni or ye blessing ya we number one example. Okay, Monica Nenemi. When you know what when no him everybody here made the way no ya react wa mo. Ma understand. On night the first time they do ya react very yoni. Again, ye favor. Why me asokpa o ye favor again ni. Eri oba ya mo bog be table. Me like no mo bog be table that no end of your ekpa. You understand? That dog me the way no yari at. E me so ro ni. Wa we mi wa ka we him no wa me be na o wa va won. Better ori ogi ejo. Agbo ya akpa that dog me different character le. Egba e ba ni we wa you know different way. Oh my ya we mi. Onene blessing na be we just my boss I mean a boss me o that is we na ni over there you fuck up gberagbe on the first time o yata me you know so you na dey there e di o maka me no dey there na but ore but e di ona accept because the guy we just you fuck up ni ke areba ni 1 year plus or we ke areba ni o ma ewu ye be na that means of one gbe. That means em na nigi touch Edion na ya make example. Okay, they got ban Edion ga no we na ya woni ma very winner. Eri ya we mi. Eri ya we mi. Eri ya we mi. If you we man ya wa beg wa oku gbe uma gbe then we ya wa like ni ya use you we then we ya only ya use oma. Woman e character we man strong then go use you anyhow. Oma me dion ha set we gbe ebe ni nwina nije mami oma no me mind no me we awake ake wa ka me we la wo o we ye he ne meti business ni ye wa run e down okay no sunu we do anegbu water we me name na ya sunu we do anegbu water we na even self we mana gwa o ave man we vio yu nwina enye do amu we ro ye because o heke na me we o ma no rie we mi nwina irrespect no ari ene no ya rie we ji nwina ma izi na ya we do anwina be ba ni do anwina be na na rie we mi nwina e bo bu don gwali nwina and wa misbehave e bo zi wa ha ma we na okay jessa on your say na ata we are all team o ma mi we na nwina ni rie no wo ma no kie gate wo ma no ha kpolo on your pa wa nwina no aga o ma ne na mi we wa ge okay no levai o mana mi obo na awe mi we ja we because again be ye di on ata mi we are team that means we na ku gbe ri ma na be Joseph wa inwi ne so ro bania enwi na we na play we ji but we because we na ku gbe ogan we do azen and when that is do azen do azen mi wan ma o ma no ri we the action was too much. Action radio no. You have to one can woman no lele here. Understand? Dion me good mind. Ash on the ya ash. The first time of the ash, why go bless your back? I ash. No, if we mess up any of the ash or the ash, munya very yoni. A karatage, no, me karatage. Change, no matter where we foundation. So far, me why or banyama or little magbina. That on your wife, no what they important. If you they hash, una back by your or always something like good. If I saw no one hash or one more go back by your man who only no magbina. Only no magbina, which is very bad. Only no nema where mammy no hash ni or you know when we be table or something like that. Good. Or that is in my yata where Oscar carry the yata that is uni. Ona yo uni e mo kwa le vani. When I push it table, we never there you uni nak ba me vani. You know. So a blessing me can I with my boss or serious. They may not I want to my blessing and name your wife. When I my way that reaction like Diani. A blessing okay, my boss are you cool. You know, but I don't know you when I don't away my boss is very serious or serious so. Or my way babe none there. Or my way babe not there, which is very no need. It was like a area yawu who drop by and make example. Or in it by doing with Jess. Or be now tell me or golemo and say. Or tell me or say. Even though I get in my word of your above your way, or have your own, on a vita lota way, or what it down dito, to prend it to bracho. I worry your bond window, I went Gumeri, I know what the best wabble. Man, understand. So I have na, Umana, maybe no kaye no me wo jaw in Nigeria. We understand that you will never understand it because I have money rowa. They are a profiter, they are profiter. Yeah, then they like to, you know, my boss in myself, any of them imagine when I na where yajo, remember the job yahweh, they not by angel. No, area happy way. If you are working from Monday to Saturday or to Friday, I'll make sure wooding when I read there on it. And the normal say to them, maybe we make message. We have me where bros, yet to the now, give me no sunu. Like only no matter there nanny, do you we no parking, no bar. Imagine well, John, you are too bad. John, you are too this. John, you are too that. Area, okay, can I straight in argument where area live? On no gualemi or boy tanse. I don't win no gualemi or boy tanse. When no gualim winner. Okay, can I make walk a save any hen on yavani? Yet with what I would read besef. And on young winner casevani when I pay na walk kere. I saw me now before we kedore. Of course, English in a blessing is a deal make a man. I tell you, my not as English in you understand. Like me, only may believe in the opinion you may hatana because on my great comment now when you believe you were English in a blessings. When no he when that be being English in a blessings any ma but some of us ma prefer the man naze broken. Because nobody knows a broken man, not how we amount. If I had the delivery, I have Germany, I have money, no office in it. I prefer no man's broken, no making now, even no matter. When blessing and doje, a big English, ya so very only. Some of them I understand. Only we raw because they will not change, or when no ze broken. We wage te dio him nota or wage man ogugwa we dia him nota. Even man ogugwa we dia say some of us my like we use broken. Why break head down my him in nata. You understand? Only way deba because a dio ka man when no or can a blessing no in a dio because it's your boss. You're your way be winner. Man understand? Why didn't win bani? On a we don't use phone. Even when man safe. In a sort of waruna, I come away with your man need a phone ring at all. I'm away to a line unless you are a break. Or now because why winner? Okay, can you lay a law no raw or Maria Wedgebani or whatever when the work be Wedgebani? Or Maria Wedgeba. So work in a sorrow, why winner? Even I believe the way is all job. Una man no see a cigar or may 10 when you see a cigar. Because we see a cigar, worrying we know what the cigar you are seeing. No, they 5 minutes, 5 minutes in our way. And when we are ladia, that 5 minutes who have yes a cigar, that was a gay we made a phone who have a gay away. Then no one for one who have your job again. Who have a lang win away again because otherwise so losing win. I'm on equaling win a boom. Only na give you with my hand. Okay, get nanya cause a video nigga already do over nanya. When my bema no re win ne do gwalin winner. When my bema no re na no win do gwalin winner. Eh? Ema no re na win do gwalin winner. Onya re ba ni. Always so na blessing big English they confuse una. What they call you? Who tell you? You know you, anyway. You know say some of una no need to they explain to some of una. Because that blessing big English where they speak. You think say who anyway like broken. Who where agbon yare de denire ba ni yan big English no zebe ba ni. Eh? Bet was a broken ma de denya em no kai. Bet was a big one man. Oh where we may no kai. Why buy? You know you have to if no one who time if no one was there was ni. It's like warring with a bania. Oh, yeah, where when a sorrow waro, eh? Oh, where they Italy, Bania, una Italy. Oh, where when Econogenania, so always solo palare Italiano. Solo. And onu has a bani. What by bani the no swim when I say, who's ever when I say, because you made the Wagazebo where yahi, Kenian and win a bani. Eh? Okay, can you man respect it? Can you man winner? Or hamowe we very na who very only because a multi agba so far you go where you wobo. Eh? Only may believe. Only may believe. So that is that. Mami ave na wa we ave money. Some of them not the year. You understand because John Fed they tell and say this your baby English. They speak broken. Omaho I ain't way okay. It's normal thing when like one of baby English in the blessings in maybe a no master no. Man understand? Have no master on logo here uke do seti doria yevani re do azove. But TV or bet here hame brother when no soon la wo ma be zebo wa ya try ni here ni ekwari ejo You understand? So only obogoni. Where that be big English where many people know the year now. Old women they know the year what the blessing they talk or telling me. Eh? You speak broken. Broken ni. The day I am no high. The day I am no high. So only near water where what you so you say most of our Nigeria people in Europe not like truth. Which truth be that one? Monica team. 10 years ago. I don't even understand it well. Maybe you they talk to another person. You understand? So some of all those women, are they deni ni reni? Inya him inota. Only way they buy. Not be English cause some. And because English because because when Emina Bungbe, the thing was too much. Because every year live video now. Because of it, okay, no explain it there no water there na alone. Even the entire there na alone, I was surprised where Odwata no sunu. Like all boy na ne medu wajere many of una maybe now still remember. All boy na no electrician. Wajere vegani. When the boy ni osas oye na the boy engineer ne osas. When no ya the boy ni when no ya ke son no ya mu gonna no mu ya can't see na mo ari egbelibia o ma be do mo ladian but on forgive on we not those one winner okay my son no okay even imagine no man sha o pa no pa na igore re wa mu o ya gion wa egbelibia o ki son one na ne wetin wa gwa lokian denu gwa lokian mi ma no e kori we no re be de no ma citizen gbe no e ko akoki o we kere because when no worry many of our people I'll worry many people. Of course, say they don't settle the matter. And that make also make me one also it's because of those people. They do and why we me hearing that make me still come out today. I know said I see the video, not be me they carried your video. I see. Because of some of our people ne do why we need tune no ma say me rock ba iya wa go we media but wa beg have me no we no ya wa de deni ne hia ne no de deni no jupopo ya hia ni we no ya dollar wa eji wa de go ni wa ta la dia we odion emi na no na God go bless you continue your good job no why condemn me to and wa so no which is very bad na make me come out I see say everything don't settle which have me happy jo because a blessing me we ye fuck up also na di win na be na Also on that day because I ni wa day do our gbeme again you wish is always say no na day there na always say because do our gbeme when I need most on winner and the deal of my very on when some people run or move even we are time or do you get or do you get it but then na do Mario go back to your job. And the girl way okay or carry her me ye fuck up and nani no sunu ni you everybody that dog ain't no yari at ye e di react very on and the next thing have no dare ni have dare ni no reba ni in make na ye we just obia na ateme ogele we no yaku we no waya lele makuna or wa ya lele magbina baba na lele magbina okay keni ya he okay keni ya he because otherwise in wa be sun egwa very ni na very nice person na good person do na good person but stay your lane and when na when win na we no can do pass yourself or mu we you can okay we because our people they try make they do pass themselves which is very bad and in we okay go got you no tarenia go got you no watare ogi lari no tare I was so very in the first time me ya on the water many which is very bad or two we very on the other hair we or one view with of your own or where guama we one vessel ne gua emi ro emendi they no charge ale o ma ne gua na me ma ne gua una wa mi why ko why they no gua they no gua is so wasiere. So that is that, my brothers and sisters. I just see everything. We're begging me, no sunu social media. In my only one can do a day. Now we see all these people. All get ne bring man settle. In your worry, go ya man ya be. Now we why get no? Why they mean no we? Why they tie? Why on what see the osomani digging, which is bad. Which is very bad. Wagimave begging yes in the boy anyway. Or one made a small mistake. But why you go akbe here? Our atia bonnet, tiene knock bane, we knock ba. Oh, I'm making on made a mistake. I know or where they know who we mojo we if na mi unko. When they think I walk I may have the way now. Umana wegbe, umana wegbe. Your business go run down. Here your waru. Where do I neck where we wasunu? Oma no me. That is oma no very very good. Be ne hash. Eti we business we do we Nigeria ni. Because so can we are the same brain ni ame. Umana ne the same brain ni ya ugbegbe ni. Ya wa oge before we went on na ni we bokere ni a very cool person. Ya wa your way, ya wa your wo. Ya your wo. When on get boy ni knock my electrician we ya ni ya sunu. Me watch na we boy na me wa get na we boy na man. You know you too good. You too good me wa ata. Aka ni mu go no ya mu ya kan tu mu. Umu ba umu ari umu ari egbele bia. E huku wo doni na we gbe bia ade. Ona we gbe ri ye na we gbe ri ejinwe na do ma no we. Do ma no we. Okay my that we total everything care we ne boy na pass through me ti you I can man show. So my brothers and sisters okay maybe as a dia ata okay okay more a position boy na wo the aya we and wa mwere gbe wa gafin ahun it's not o ma area so one am your man no we mi wa tian get me now we I think the last weekend and the other week guy no many have this lady guy if any my amami adu man no ladi an where and the boy now I say boy bless you where na do you gi odune na do praise no amami oni wa mi tune wa to lemu ladia diano nenemio nenomio knock pavo Emma, even if we majawi is very bad, also now when is zedo, mostly ma unu man no zedo na. Emma, minima we man. Emma we man, Emma me run no foundation. If you we yan, iya mudia yo ye ke beto gi man. Man no na je very on here. Some of us, awa on the boy ni wa hui no hui. Ere gbo hui. Oh hui ban. Eh? Wa me gbere iwo. Wa na popo ma wu no popo ma ri wu. Wa gbere iwo. Obungbe. Wala o. So my brothers and sisters, so now when you want to tavern because you want to do the memo but why me memo button because many people will tell here why they tell why they down we always just on why they team no lad me me you no need in heaven where do ya lad ya go better no na awa already get knock by the other one blessing on na blessing now we know go me go talk me go wa go obungbe give ma why ga dege me no mama why be dege no ma no ruwe why we are dege no we okay ke no ni sunu ni wa be dion many people man ho ene we wa ge I like him ne dion tawe na we cameraman anytime in your office amunye because when you pretend because so am not pretend no cameraman anytime we are dege munye o munye munye uton the camera but one no munye no wa apike because really life again no we no ya behave no. One ma change but a heart in on yaka or with that good heart you can't change the character. That don't have a character. A heart in your na ya way your body or more. When no ma who say why one mau? It's bad, It's very, very bad. Because I am no mama na yema no mama e ko kenya be ne di o wa we mi na ni e ko kenya o ma le ruwa we o ma ruwa we nya o no ruwa we no de o ma ruwa we o ma de e kere wa la de nya iyen wa gogbo wa be yawu no wa be no je wa ba wa mami wa no wa gogbo na we nene vi nokpa we wa ave mi me 100,000 200,000 ye we ya gwa le stock pa ave mi aba lokonia we dem wari we no ma go we fi e business ni o ga ona gbere 6 months why 6 months itself why 6 months benu we na reva business ni eje rokpa unless you must be on grant. Also, I so at no one higher business you wa. Umana reba near ya go we for legal way for which is true. E matter no. Because in wa gba ogbe yeke aha wa we gbese ma wa we gbese webo. Wa mi go venu we gbeja lo mo ande to we gbe ya we business of ege. Erio. Because some man no go we the business ni. Umana ha mi nya we una fuck up I go jail you we mana ha minya be rioni nu gele jok ba ya show example o we na lie wa boss the talk ri o wata but e we rioni but wa yok ba ya show example ni ya ni pa ya do mu dia se we e me not tiny o gele we o ma beg the other person o watian o ye o show example ni mani so em ne dio wa we want like good and a blessing we like ona we gbe ade or we dey boss my boss do wa gbene wa I must come to my job only to respected you na day oga na so no normal I not care I'll go look for another job I not care I'll go look for another job I'll go find another place because so beg we do treating you bad o my ka gugu egwan be riana o aha my we is enough e na no na ma like e then ya show my bad side who like him ona show a blessing me dege ni o be ya na nwa wa e bozi me na ogale show me ogale we na be there on so ya you know what I hand wa una all those people when they talk bad about you say na duro as they abi na duro as they o Aiza ya wa le lunu agbon uke ya de fi wu fun uke de yu fun yan la dian ni yan do tien na me we a genocide go 5 minutes genocide game no wa over na ma wa gele appreciate ma wa like continue with your job e bo ni ke o ma very on we ma ke wa tien wa ma tien problem mi ro so fa ma ni ye we na abe ma no ro wa ni ya wa dege ni any wa appreciate me ni ye wo eh wala wo o ma wa we mi tun wa wa re gogori ma wa pelele is very bad wa bi abege mi no wewu wa bi atian na be mi ewo okay na nu wa we na o we se o ga easy we jo no we ya we ona easy we ahia we ya we o ma easy ana wa ge ni we je wa to time ani o ma ba easy udo dan me inu ugbeso dan me aru 18 ugbeso aru 20 oyin ta lot ado ha mo problem we and me pa ne di on ya je e made a mistake e my wa e made a mistake I we whatever last week whatever ne me o ma easy e bre on ga mu ihe o mu ge di ya ta no pa ta ge di no pa ta obo no pa aru eva ke kan agu we gun agbe no we na win na selfie wa so wa fi ran afian we no, I don't want to talk anymore. I feel where my whatever I need throughout. Yeah, we not like it, no. If not like it, no when we're winning when I don't like. Where get away, any rock back, who are very easy for you and who like that job on our way. But why me money? Okay, can you maybe ask where you are doing well. Oh, two people already now we are going when I need day. Cause in ere we man worry if you buna ave win na re no your boy adaji say because no gwa le mi boy tan say win ere woni o be mi win no be do awe shiri I won we ga we na radio no ma clear as a pidgin try to dey speak a pidgin as a pidgin when I win na sana ka mo we e do ya wonu do aze wa aze do because we no gwa lo uki agbari go ya we po wa una pa na ni re no we so we na aze shiri ni o be so na aze bi yo be o le so na aze we wa we because when a blessing gele ya ze big English ni say di o man like oga kenana we nwina we no o like better dey emanire ni ihe ha ga no ta so also na ha mewe they speak pidgin but yen no ye ma ho o ma gie na change no ze no so as pidgin you try to come on no come on we as do menya dey we do nya. Oh, when the money with the Monica, when money with the money with them they donate now they pay them. May they pay them now. May they pay them when I was balian. I remember no nyango yamaso. I will come where you when you're not going away. Now wow, my people. I don't know as I'll say talk again. So I not joy my only team no boom baby and I will tie 7 million. Why a time 7 million now? So why appreciate we why we appreciate we blessing re where near ding with name. Gba ma beta man where my way nyori we mi wina. O una pa wa ni de no inwina we no ha ya mienia. And e no enwina na we wa ge do pokma do poloto we kware ba ni no we no wa tape ye ba o wa gbon ye ba ni. E so ro no re abi ko so ro. I will tell ya hawk money. Oh, ya hawk money street. Oh, ya hawk money ma. Oh, ya Jackie nema. Oh, no, a very clean job. Office or office ibani. When the master where I have a good job. I have a good job. If you know when you work, sir, I don't do one. Any master will come away where one on now. Oh, what work I can know where not back I can know where's the job bonnie. Oh, my dad not back nowhere. Oh, that not back. When a master so we raw or wa like you when all gear won or to my dego ma baby bani or wa like you when young win now like him win no so on where win ani or ya can ne bless me understand the way a boss where hama where ya winning win and cameraman no can not tell or then okay ha man or like you when you are winning win now what's your not give one year so no kwe agui self away everything on your money wa gi on we game on because I like him when I no man you I like him when I no man you so we do as major board do have we damn so do fee now do fee too big way imana gi won we yet gi on we on it's bad Ona tai. Atie we Sazuwa. We're not kicking, waiting, kicking the table and insulting the parents. Or my insulted the parents. Or wana see me. They are not insulted the parents. They are not insulted the parents. Wana see me no hiana. Wait be that one Sazuwa. What they know what? Not kicking the table and insulting the parents. They are not insulted the parents. Or where you can go and speak name baby grandma in your father's house. On your insulted the parents. Now wow. You know insult the parents, You know insult the parents. Why they see it time? Because a blessing man it wasn't a blessing that would be at the That's all insult the parents or a blessing, Because I we a fuck up on our day. So why do I tell well you insulted the parents? John is a good man, of course. John a good person. John a good person, And the rest of her time, Wesha, no need in your way, your man on the hayak be kita, no na do a fofwa. The rest of her time, I did any idea of your any, that's why we are all salovua. A dear or more and Noah, A dear or more and Imagine Dion so wa me man need ni wa we gaga ya say o ma no bia we ike egbo ma no hin no Isaiah ni na disgrace to the Edo people. Isaiah ni no mind na no just mind that to Sazu wife no gbe la jane which time they saw the parents or mind sort any parents ibani so di o mo ha me o ke no wa sonore social media no wa we e o mo ha me e o mo ha me e ma so awata enenemi enokpa wata wa believe you we shall no need to na ya ataleme because me so nya wa believe we nunu ya wa ya very nya wa ya teneneme wa bi ata wa bi ko bi ata no they will never look at the good job no they will never on our ba wo ori mani e do so nya bege ni nya ruwa o nya fi se ya o nya dego ni imunya onoru awe o deba oru aweba o deba oru awoba iyo maru awe iyo made oni anje ema ibi gboro eba ni no we gbe me di ohun na ibi Yoruba we ro no we ma wa mi o ibi dogi ma we ma bege so wa we go ni we foundation voe ya o foundation voe ya o foundation voe ne mi o foundation ya give o wetin that dogo wo ge owo to we rie no guardum odo no ma guardum odo teka wa gwa we foundation work yan good uma na gwa we work yan na you know many are hated dion say o ye lago da o o ye win here so your man e bani ma me no very gwa ma wonu gwa na be hated dem no mo bo gwa e badi we ma wa mi rokpa wa gi ma do ri job ni bia we ma wa do ri job ni where is the problem of the foundation? I there's a young if you why they measure any on they measure area at all. Why they measure area at all? Why they I they tell one one gather the job on him. I'm not every force. It's not do or die. If you like, you do. If you not like, bye. No me hit on. Okay, the guy me anti a video ni a wo TV. Before me ke post ma send e go give man e wari e ma be na me so no me good heart very oni because why all the girl to share o we agume help ma be na because yan we ama mufu abagbon me so ama mufu abagbon wa gi mi eri o bi je me understand o ma na mufu abagbon na o mi eri we ma na mufu we ma na rie no ma a le rie nu we e kino sabo na wa be bless we wa be dey because we will bless someone. So I could do hunde no do bless him. True woman, or ya bless that dog. True woman, so ya bless or ya bless that dog. Osabwa ikodu hunde wa ade o wa do bless you no. O ma giere no do ayari jobonima. Via is the only problem you have today. Brighty, I mean Bridgetti. But I forget me via. Only I mean can dig be only tamu. I man over damn on your having a damn that's so. One higher total why I damn him not. Why beg him in a dion? I'll wide again. O man now no I will my way. I'm begging no. I'm begging no one or even. The video no over there. I think this Saturday. No. When I have honey yard, near a yard guy honey ya. Why me here way? You go girl. We gonna marry again. No, just better way. Man, understand better way. Man, now I'm a million mugi. A man will walk when you are with me. Who feels to see you so? Eh? Okay, we not tell we now when they do I want beg I donate go just now. But I'll them I dare give no me knock back. I wanna the arrow. So a hand. I mean, where shall I beg? Only one make dead your girl. You go in the pay through my dead one or one man or man dead one. Why I respected but no one lawa. Or my dead one because why beg a post on him. You know, be now going ya wa fire because he like a ube be a new way. Or when no where we has set you who present a lot of one when I bomb the ticket or one go say 3 months we are not your wa why are rule when in the deal only do as it way or venue up back a low because if no very like you know not continue away why it before was see I know way ave runia ave the deni nani I beg ave runia nani boni ave tieni no when in area you know huh. So why my brothers and sisters see my only take over time because all the time be motor. Only why it's a very only way or jige my Yahweh me they no praise egbe. Ijeme. I don't know. Some people it may what they go more jealous Do well no way who be Yahweh. Huh? When the social media waje no ba no veru we na me we o beta we wa be president o ma sinu no hi ya president na egba next month or next 2 months emi kere na di awun yo kala dia no do ya ta we nene ni nokpa nene wetin wa ma like me no ma wa ma like me no ma wa mi enu we set you uti amani wo mani we why you girl do no on your ma e do ke ni mani we do ya behave any ma dege we o adun pa wotima edi onia unu no zedo no ami mani me yan ni do e na nia unu no zedo yan hin ya o ye gon unu no zedo no but away aproko anihi aproko people make una drop the matter. Who can be aproko people ma understand anyway. Unu no zedo di ohin o ke ni ma ti an ni ma ha me we okay even na no una o sabo adeba we try de lo we ya sun no time we ni opa o me wa gbagbe we I want go start name or something like that never do ari go no e mama na like we to bu we no hari egbu we la dia no we handle we yeah as your way nobody knows your way nobody knows your way honestly you know oh John na good person abeg na good person not be lie one anihi oh genocide told even of a tenant not to pay till after coronavirus oh don't know how Domano how we no be lie. Ogele oge. Omo eje mi ati emena no mana tana. You are right, Prince. No tiny matter no me of a video where I bet nothing ya my penny ya pay seriba. Oh my don't know how way. I beg me I finish for here, me I leave now because the man need take one time. But just that if you women understand what I mean now why you told why you told why we are there no ma we no ma. We no we me at here why you reason what I may know why they think about your name if na me unko if na me then they do this kind of thing too uha me omanonwe na lele wewe overi ana beto ya woge oya na me we man that means say aka we weti ka ma ni ado an office oge ba ni uje o e bozi we aka ma we e na na ri o no oje u ge aro overi oni because wo gwali nwe na ni wo boy ha tase u obe u we no we nu gele u ifu we mana self mana obe ni ya we nu we office we ko na wina before we ke no so no aka ma we ire I'm going to get it. Now so because I'm away run no how we a post you baba bana sis who obey ya walk when who obey ni and you go so open your own foundation no problem next month no problem if you still open your foundation now if you be good person if you they talk well people go see they donate for you people must like you. You know, just go open foundation, say, I want open foundation. That's what waiting me believe. You know, you may believe it. If I'm not like you, where, if foundation, why I can't keka. If I must like you, where, and if now when we are where, I want to open my own foundation next month. No problem. Open your own foundation for your own foundation. If now when you might deliver, you may want to hire, you want to hire your bug, where. But if I deliver, one bag have many people no. I got there get what and I got there ya temata you way. Okay, like I big la no show where there you no guy go linya boni. Who when you are here but never by the vanity. Here they are nerune, or no rivona rek, no carry guna regidio. But talking money remana, mostly money whatever mana no. Thank you, bro. Ogi manire mana no my we na be yari e gyodu no ma why why see I what be tie what you they do you they try e di omo ame omo ame at least boss family no carry ma no wa ke one village be be oni mo pa mo wa o wa mo foundation ya we ne gbe o ya no omo ame inu gba wa emi we owe wa ze pize mu ni ye muri owa nugba wa emi ero o awe tomatoes in wa deke kiri wa fia yeva wa musa dokpa wa mujo gwinye ero okay go ge cameraman no bia atabe nania o ga ime so no wa gimagele teme nana ge o ge camera no ga video be na ne di o ga atabe nano o ga ime so no ma ha me boy anywhere I work at ne but the cameraman je revani o winye ri ejo wa ye ma oni ye mi o ma which is o keke no je be oni o ma ri e we ejo wa o ma wenu no ma no because when e so if we ma here salo boy ya wa mi o ma no ma ya oni ya juzo ma ni ne we udo ya hwe o ma dan o ma mo we ejo wa o wenu evie ma di o wa we na do awe party okay wa ni pa ona do se we no ke ganare ona do adi o wa nu manya o ave mu we je va ni o no nya wa winye ma oni ye mi o ma mi va ni o ma ka inform ene because wa gele o ma no me respect o mo fun brother ge mi opa no sunu o semena okay travel day ene ke no rie la wo wait we no die ma na for 2 days or 3 days o ge no nya wa ka ma we okay go ahead o ma we o fi we it too the brother too good we mi rock pa ya wa we ka ma wa we forget you see but okay ba ri arrest e we di o be ya bele but na be wo e di o ye be re ba ni o ye be lele enwi na ba ni enyo ye we cameraman umana ha shi mwe manu vio here in Nigeria ni he ogie wa fue ogie fue don't hear many people he say o ma no me good heart no but why ya only an lu that ya only an lu egbe because if you women ya appreciate me at all on why no ruwe ya appreciate me umi o ma no rie we ji wina weti we okay wina na pe no ke gwalo no yo be via die you say no udo awe yege because e bozi we o ma si no oga o ma si who take care your bogbera no we no because they no are your bogbera ya do kama we o ma si he just but ele we ugbera ele we so my people edu anwe mi no makeke ah why because in my day many yata e character oma weti fie werie e character ge no edu oma very oni no weti change and on a good heart no ya epe oma weti dey change oni everybody has that dog e character ge wa mi meso na ogwania o ga shout oye na mieti ya mama gbagwi we no ya wu no weti dey change weti change that dog e character ge wa mi meso bania we akwe e blessing unania before blessing yeke before okay sigba herself we akwe ege sigba ha ogwo ke ene but e di o ha mawe e wo be na change before ke bust so my brothers and sisters ni so why because we talk water na because I pray many of them abi here women na ni change me ni ya try wa ri gyodu ne boy na because okay I no wake be that some no me that is when you cannot stop me all my video okay oga e no ye na me way of soft gbe me mind no o we no need ni he ya redo we na ni he ya okpa ori e wo we okpa ori e wo we because if you women yama if you women so yama like me no ma me de to baliyan le gbe we no was on na we or ne na titi no we be awo we ne ni we be atiti na small they take the starter here edi o maso ebe na here eko ya we kedo me wo kedo say a position of jena we be so when we be awo here before you know it have do anya na we be ya ori eri ori ya o we ya bege ba ni we ya dege ba ni o ya ruwe gbe enu we wa re kan pe we wa ata lo no mama no ruwe wa vie ya ladian u ga kun ya ladian u dege no mayata enene mi ruo wa oru aweru udego ni betu wa dego ekere oni we hado viola dia we egbu we mu gboto ni di we mu gboto because e ma no gele wi jobona ave ma no na we ma wu ma dege mi no we just you are trying uya o ma easy we wa je Nigeria for 1 month kaka we ka kwa calculate nene month no gba no pa I mean, why I told you, Bani, if you not like it, no, Jess. If you not like it, no, but what can I read you? Do know where? Where? My brothers and sisters, no, so why are women? Wow, so. And yes, of course, unstoppable. Nobody can stop it. I'm not about to stop it. You don't take away starter. Okbe no yasun. Okbe. Okbe no yasun na no o me kwa mo ade social media ma we ga no ya mo social media e bia we ma na so e so no so na so ari efua because mo eri yanje ave normal na mi mai ave normal enemi mai je ya bu mu we o le se kere we ko do agwale no hinwo agwa yin yan okpa ave nemi mai je ya ibun but yan kalele we wo se more time me mo se ona si eni me na mo se we ti lele me wo se for 6 months or a year okay ke ro do agbe meri ladian no one na kun rubbish o se oni o se I like you for 1 year emi kere e wa sun no wo ka do gbe meri ladian God forbid bati e lele me wo se wo we no ahia mo do ni me I need get some comments so many of them want make it sleep with okay many of them want make it sleep with oh God, oh. Do I not feel sleep with anybody? I beg him. Or your whole now. What am I calling your whole say? When you tag better, don't be stupid, If you saw on I beg baby nana. We are always selfie. I never know help where you go where ya button near. Or when you be ya gualo, we money day because once we live and in it, irrespective when you are here for oh. Now so. They are jealous of you. Kaka boy, jealousy bungbe on your way. What did they call you? Say Diona 419. What he play you? Of you were who? That one way say Diona 419. Don't you were go Taladian? You know see all these things. About when no one will tell me nania where Diona 419 nania. Oviedo. Oh well they think. Because ovie dohin because I don't me yagwana ovie dohin they go no give you where na dem business in there normal wa do my business in the normal contact me phone number me reba ni tamame wa me prove na so ne mi na ri agbepo ba major no be that one who wa tie at least no care social media na we pe ne me me adu pa no dota we give nothing here when we for we na they are winning for one na when na we are we me no ma we are money because me do understand the meaning of 419 if 419 no ya ga go awari go na we go na gume ya ri ga ebe ya no gele we me like egbe 419 ni John na 419 abeg which came you go no feel well utai I beg my brothers and sisters because why me no ma why time better me no mama wa unu wa ata I mean no mama wa unu wa ata ya so I not even get I say you na we comment ni endo age iwa oni wa bizu gbe ni wa tem ni ata ni pa ba ni because some do ate comment no do ami ama badabidi me no pa even we set you na 419 where they we 419 when na any am we that one na yawo where they we jawo na e dollar go dori ri before kedo woman kedo fi am go wa gele kan temu na je where they wu don easy agbo ya wa set wa gele kan ti ro mu jowo bo where they wu no very easy no age egbe wa we u pa kan wa se o gi mesi we gba va abeg me I forget me I go do something there. My brothers and sisters, I went to one water now, so now only what is there, don't my man, you know, so wala go. Many of those people, mama and papa, they go eat rice every Sunday. So wani so ave any mani vie de so emma wagimata mata they not aye we what a me we many ya ivie wesha onya wo ma egba ni vie do ima no na je every oni they team na me we umagele gba ne isowo beni mejo ma wa gba ni me kakabo aba badabidi no ro wo ma egba na because no me no fofua o we to hwihwi beni odege we to me na ni fofua o ya hin to hwihwi oh no we o ma be do believe we to hwihwi you know na ora yo to because o ma no temata o we tem na we to wa hwihwi yen ze kan yo ma be ho kan yo o ni be do ata we mata gele no gele hwihwi o change brain o lavato de chevelo o lava o pe o bleach pe o ma ni gele do ata we to gele hwihwi beni ya oni ari ani e wa se beti ya ma setting I beg my brothers and sisters, may I live on now. This why from untouchable mama remain blessed. While here we are, my brothers and sisters. So, mama, thank you for you. Thank you, Sonny. Do well. God bless you, Gladys. Wawese, thank you. Wayawese. Because when you have been calling, may tell me, Dion Kelly, you have a bizu now when you were seeing I mean, you have a wrecking and many people were away audio or video. So, it was a way. Let me stay clear. But no, now we're waiting. Why call? Yeah, una go di gwan with you di. Wa have gomeme gwan. Where the women are gomeme. Di on we deli oni. Yana ya hin we. Ya we to take a no mo wo. O take a no. I beg you why we no ma be ja we, which is bad. So na so it be. Wa hire run the business wa normal work berejo no men o heke na ya do attend na normal work berejo no if you don't know woman na e wo ma work be wa waju a business wa run igbe 6 months yen wa hwe yo wobo umi pazo ho ya to umi you I love you too. My princess, I greet you and greet my baby for me. Why I say Omania wahyo we say so nisu why time don't go. Thank you everybody. Why I say those of una we not the year bini mo na no verse so because sometimes I like to speak my bini. I carry a 0 woman at least we 0 we. So that is that. So my Benin people, those one when a brain wala wa fi weria ni bezege yo ntonona wa fi weria ni maya siriokba ni maya siriokba and mostly thing something any so ni mamobo like all see it today now is 2 years or year now ni kewe audio now nobody know the face him na and it only show it wa only wa show ni we see me o menahin o ile o let me so run ne ma uni ma like iwe do areba ni ave do you know that kind thing agbera don't be stupid agbera don't be silly iwe do areba ni any ya say na we only audio but o ma no him ma understand let ya wa ge mi so egbo eba ni e offend we u ya era me no re mi do aro bi I take care all see any na why ko was stay clear say let me stay clear from all these things but it only show. But maybe one day me have a few worry because I am no working now. Going have a few worry and then maybe I will come and say, see me oh na me be this one. At least when you go out na why are there one no one or tell me ma. But me sort of name ma ni ma only deba because ime ma have teme no respect me. Ma ona do feel like kongbia. Ona do sunu I like understand I like on see na ye rob any na. But one day I will open say okay mona see me but anybody not try that and without him try that way ya we example number 1 when e di on ya we get nana because if ya we manya ma mi no ton iya to le na true na ya mana mi no ton iya ru le o we ri we da mana be deri oni o ma we ropa we me we da no na then why are they kwene o ya so wo gigba why mo dia na so we okay now. Bye bye. Now ciao. Now good night, everybody. One love, keep us together. May we try change. My change. Some of them need change in your own because many imagine. Me I like it when I like it when 2 years on Jenike alele dion. And in my one day, the way we are dion need to arrow you. No, I don't do that. Or made the mistake. You take a message you get with dion. This the way you do. Not be so it's supposed to be. Now my opinion. It didn't me I must say now my opinion. I don't want to tell you say you must do like that. It's my opinion. And everybody gets your opinion. But all man know they'll come online, they'll come they shout, they'll come they curse everybody, curse the enemy, or mona may be no rain not bad. Man, yeah. Emma. Now good night. I see everybody. Una good night. Waya we say, waya de bamen, Sonny, waya we say joy. Everybody. Una good night. Waya bye bye. Waya ciao. Thank you. God bless you.